Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to monitor your credit reports with Experian. Now Experian credit has monitoring services which you can of course make use of. The first is Experian Credit Works. So Experian offers Credit Works, a comprehensive credit monitoring service. There's also Experian Boost. So Experian Boost allows you to add positive payment history to your credit reports. Now when it comes to setting up credit monitoring, what you want to do is to go to the Experian website and log into your account, and then just click on the credit monitoring tab. Now you want to enroll in Credit Works or Experian Boost to start monitoring your credit reports. Now a couple of credit monitoring features include daily credit report monitoring. So Experian monitors your credit report daily for changes. There's also alerts and notification, where you can receive alerts and notification when changes are detected. There's also credit score tracking, which helps you to track your credit score over time. And then there's also credit report updates, where you receive updated credit reports from Experian. Now when it comes to understanding credit monitoring alerts, there's the new account opening, where you receive alerts when new accounts are opened in your name. There's also credit inquiries, where you can receive alerts when credit inquiries are made on your reports. There's also payment history changes, where you receive alerts when changes are made to your payment history. And then there's also public record change, where you receive alerts when public records such as bankruptcies or foreclosures are added or removed. Now that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.